Hello, everyone. It's me, Miss Hall, and me, Franny Fox. And welcome back to another day of Songs and Words. We're so glad you're all here. I'm glad to see you again today, Franny, too. Will you please read the learning target with the students? Oh, we would love to. Say it with me, everybody. I can identify specific sounds and words. Great job. Our first activity is going to be identifying rhyming words. I'm going to say 2 words. If those words rhyme, we'll put our hands in the air. If they don't rhyme, we'll just shake our heads no. Is everybody ready? All right, listen carefully. Flash, crash. Do they rhyme? Great job. True, treat. Do they rhyme? No, they don't. Pride, stride. Do they rhyme? Awesome job. Let's do one more set of words. Crew, crumb. Do they rhyme? Nope, they don't. Awesome job identifying rhyming words. Now, for our next activity, we are going to identify whether or not 2 words start with the same consonant blend sounds. I'll say 2 words. If they have the same consonant blends at the start of the word, we'll put our hands in the air. If they don't, we'll just shake our heads no. Is everyone ready to give this a try? Here we go. Flash, crash. Do they start with the same blend? Nope, they don't. Good job. True, treat. Do they start with the same blend? Yes, they do. Very good. Pride, proud. Do they start with the same blend? Yes, they do. And guess what? I'm so proud of all of you students for working so hard and learning this year. Let's do one more set. Crew, crumb. Do they start with the same blend? Yes, they do. Awesome job identifying beginning blend sounds. Now Miss Hall and I are going to get our choppers out. Franny and I are going to chop all the sounds in a word. When Franny does this, you'll put those sounds together and say what our word is. Listen carefully. Soft, soft. Gift, gift. Held, held. Let's do one more. Damp, damp. Great job putting all the sounds in a word together to make a word. That's right. Now we're going to work on identifying where we hear a consonant blend sound in a word. We're going to be working with this sound st. You're going to listen and say if you hear it in the beginning, middle, or end of the word. Let's give this a try. Standing. Where do you hear the st? At the beginning of the word. Very good. It was at the beginning. Here's another one. Windstorm. Where do you hear the blend? In the middle of the word. It was. Very good. Dust. Where did you hear this? At the end of the word. Very good. Let's try one more. Trust. Where did you hear this? At the end of the word. Very good. It was at the end of the word. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out. I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word and then chop all the sounds you hear in the word. Here's our first one. Say ramp. Now chop ramp. R-A-M-P. Good job. Say pond. Now chop pond. D. Very good. Say felt. Now chop felt. O. T. Great job. Let's do one more word. Say silk. Now chop silk. O. K. Awesome job breaking a word down into all of its sounds. Now for our next activity, we're going to start with a word. I'm going to tell you the ending chunk or rhyme of the word to change. And then when Franny does this, you'll say what our new word is. Listen carefully, super students. Say nap. Change app to ale. Nail. Say duck. Change uck to ump. Dump. Good job. Say coil. Change oil to hook. Cook. Great job. Let's do one more word. Say fit. Change it to or. For. Great job changing the ending chunk or rhyme of a word to make a new word. Now for the next activity, we're going to start by saying the ending chunk or rhyme of the word. I'll tell you the first sound to add. When Franny does this, you'll put it together and say our word. Here's our first one. Say link. Add b. Blink. Say lean. Add k. Clean. Say leap. Add s. Sleep. Good job. Let's do one more. Say rip. Add t. Trip. Great job adding a first sound to the rhyme of a word to make a word. Is everyone ready for our last activity today? We are going to start by saying the word. I'll tell you the first sound to take away. When Franny does this, you'll say the rhyme or chunk of the word that's left. Here's our first one. Say blend. Say it without b. Lend. Say flake. Say it without f. Flake. Say president. Say it without p. Resident. Good job. That was a big one. Let's try one more word, everybody. Say slate. Say it without s. Late. Great job taking away the first sound in the word and saying the chunk or rhyme of the word that's left. That's all the time we have for today, super students. Thanks for joining in, and we'll see you next time. Awesome job identifying specific sounds and words, super students. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.